Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the TQQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 14, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Keeping up with our content is important so you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a strong buy candidate, earning a score of 5.15. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this time. If you had followed our analysis, you would have witnessed a remarkable gain of 18.29% since we initially recommended TQQQ as a buy candidate just 9 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 2.03% since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, it appears that there may be a potential minus 7.53% change in the next 3 months. This means there is a chance for a return between minus 35.07% and minus 7.53%. Looking at the 12-month trend, we can expect an 83.08% change over the next year. This could result in a return between 37.06% and 132.52%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $58.85 to $99.84 after 1 year. Our latest update for TQQQ includes the headline: on Tuesday, the TQQQ ETF price gained an impressive 6.29%. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, November 14, 2023, the TQQQ ETF price increased from $40.40 to $42.94, showing a gain of 6.29%. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 2.34%, ranging from a low of $42.29 to a high of $43.28. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 of them, resulting in a 30.99% increase over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the volume of shares traded also increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. On that day, a total of 26 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 116 million shares bought and sold, totaling approximately $4.97 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $47.14, while the lowest was $16.10. Currently, the price is 8.91%, equivalent to $4.20, lower than the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 77.5%, equivalent to $147.94, lower than the all-time high reached on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $190.88. Today, let's take a closer look at the signals for TQQQ. We have mostly positive signals on the chart. Both the short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal for the TQQQ ETF, giving a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support available at $39.80 and $36.51. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will trigger sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 39.14%. It is expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. With the volume increasing along with the price, this is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is giving a buy signal. Another buy signal comes from the pivots indicator, which showed up 14 days ago. The Bollinger Bands also gave a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average indicator is also showing a buy signal, which appeared 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicator is indicating a buy signal that appeared 10 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal 6 days ago. Now, let's shift our attention to the 12-month chart. The short moving average is showing a buy signal that occurred 10 days ago. The long-term moving average is also showing a buy signal that appeared 4 days ago. Similarly, the relationship between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for the TQQQ ETF. Let's start with the downside. The ETF currently finds support just below today's level at $39.15 and $35.70, based on accumulated volume. When testing a support level, there is always a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $35.70 and $34.47. It's important to note that this ETF can be quite volatile, meaning it may experience significant price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval, which suggests a high-risk nature for this ETF. Looking at the recent data, the ETF had a price range of 99 cents between its high and low, representing a 2.34% fluctuation. Over the past week, the daily average volatility was 3.51%. Today, we're going to analyze potential day trading levels for TQQQ. When it comes to resistance, there isn't a significant hurdle from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock has the potential to make a swift upward move. In this scenario, you can consider entering a position and monitor volume to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $39.15. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop-loss for this ETF is set at $41.49, which represents a decrease of 3.38%. This particular ETF experiences significant daily movements, which in turn poses a higher level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 81, indicating an increased level of risk. We also have a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 13 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? We believe that TQQQ ETF is a favorable choice at its current levels, despite being in a falling trend. Our analysis indicates that it holds several positive signals and we expect it to perform very well in the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF, considering it a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 15th, we anticipate TQQQ to open with a decrease of $0.103 and begin trading at $42.84. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please do not solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Feel free to comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We sincerely hope you have a successful trading experience and a beautiful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.